at this thing. I don't know if you can hear in the video, but there's a rushing river underneath here. And it is deep down there. I don't even know how far down. This is incredible. So cool. Can you think of a better place to fill your water bottle up? I can't. Oh, yes. Pouring down the side of the mountain there. And the temperature has already dropped in the past 10 minutes by about 10 degrees. Kind of like doing a maze. You just have to like find a spot that you think you can cross and go with it. Whew, made it. Oh boy, that was a tough hike. If you heard that whistle, that is a marmot. Well, let's check this thing out. Remember to tie doors shut with rope. How cool is this? Oh, I got some books. I think I might spend a week up here.
Woke up to moonlight, wait for the sunrise. I've been here before. Yesterday rains came, everything's changing. Past has closed its door. I know there's something more. I know there's so much more. So far to go on this open road, a world to explore. So far to go on this open road, away we go. Questions not answers, spin with the dancers around and round till you fall. Jump from a mountain, run through the fountains. It's never too late after all. 'Cause you know there's something more. You know there's so much more. So far to go on this open road, a world to explore. So far to go on this open road, away we go. Yesterday rains came, everything's changing. I know there's so much more.